So you guys may not have noticed, but iPhone has a lot of differences on WhatsApp compared to any Android devices with things like Siri, voice recording and Bluetooth. So if you are on WhatsApp, please stick around because you're about to learn more tips and tricks. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Musa Mohammed, and if you're a new subscriber, please click on the subscribe button, like and turn on your notification bell icon so as to get updates when I upload new videos. So on my last video, I did a video on how to read deleted WhatsApp message, and I'm sure that you guys found that helpful, yes, which so many of you guys have seen in the comment section, and I really appreciate that. So today is going to be a continuation of WhatsApp, and it will be a tips and tricks of WhatsApp. Tips and tricks on WhatsApp. So I'm sure you guys will want to learn more about this. So if you want to know more about it, please stick around and watch to the end. So let's dive in. So first things first, all you have to do is open your WhatsApp. Let's say you want to send someone a message and you want to send a voice note. So now you click on this voice note icon, you hold it and you swipe up. You can see it's recording now. And you can see it's recording. So now if you want to stop this recording and also come back to it, all you need to do is press the home button. Once you do that, you come back, open the WhatsApp again. Now you see it stopped. So now you can listen to your video, to your voice note. So now you click on it, you see it's playing. I know. So if you maybe did a mistake, you didn't want to send something, you can just click on this and it's deleted. Isn't that cool? This is another feature whereby people don't really use this that much. So once you want to do this, all you have to do is go to your status. So if you want to mute somebody, when you see somebody is always sending you're always seeing his status update and you don't want to see that, you want to mute that, all you have to do is swipe left. You can see you've muted the person. So you've muted the person, and so whenever the person uploaded a status, you're not going to see it. I find that very useful. And another feature of which you can do is the what's it called, archive. So once you go to the chat, you go to anybody's chat and you wanna archive the chat, so you have to do is swipe left and you click on archive. See, it's no more your chat. So once, if you want to bring back that, all you have to do is come back up here, then click on this archive. As you do that, you can see it's there back. So all you have to do is to swipe left again and see it's on archive. I find this feature really very cool because it helps you reduce your chats and all, so you'll be able to see more of who you're talking with all the time. I know. This is another great feature that you people don't really use that much. I find this very much helpful. I see this as a reminder. So let's say for example someone sends you a message and you click on it and you've read it. I know. So now let's say you want to reply to that person. All you have to do is you swipe right and you click on this icon here, it clicks on read. So that's to tell you that okay, it's more of like a reminder to tell you that you've not read this message. So with that, you'll be able to come back and read the message. I find this really very helpful, and most times maybe I forgot, I opened the chat and the person is I'm actually busy at that moment, I couldn't reply. So once I come back to my WhatsApp, I can see that I've not read it, so I can read it again. I find it really very helpful. Thumbs up to this feature. This is another great feature which is not being used by so many people. It's more of like the pinning your chat. So let's say for instance there's somebody or you have people that you constantly message all the time. So all you have to do is just swipe right and you click on this icon. See it here, this icon here, pin. Now you can see the pin message, the message goes up. So now let's say you have so many people you want to pin them up, so it's gradually arranges itself like that. So no matter the messages that come in, they all fall down below these pin messages. So I find this very helpful because there are some people you chat it all the time and maybe it's been a while you chat and you start looking for them. So with this feature, it's much more very helpful for you to do that by putting them at the top list. So if you don't want to pin them anymore, all you have to do is to just swipe left again swipe right, sorry, and you unpin them. As you can see, yeah, unpinning them, and see, and all that. So this is a very good feature. You guys really try this. I really found this really helpful. Did you know you can lock your WhatsApp with Touch ID or Face ID? If you're using an iPhone 11, you use your Face ID to lock it. Well, if you're using anything below an iPhone X, you use your Touch ID. So first things first, you click on the settings, then you come to your account. So now if you click on privacy, then you scroll down, go to screen lock. Now you can see require Touch ID. So once you highlight it, and it's gonna do that. So I'm sure if you have people that are trying to be super creepy on your phone, like some people that just carry your phone and just read your WhatsApp message, so by turning this security feature on, some of those people can't do that again. I found that really helpful. So I'm sure nobody else has your fingerprint and all that. It's just you alone, so you can open your phone by yourself. So if you want to undo that, you do follow the same features and you come to unlock and you turn it off back. Voila, found this very helpful. This is another great feature which I like to use most of the time, and I find it really handful. So let me show you guys how to do it. It's the Siri command prompt sending of message. So all you have to do is to press your home button, or some other what's it called OS iOS, you just need to speak to it.
Who do you want to send it to? What do you want to say? Your WhatsApp message to sweetheart says, "How are you? Ready to send it?" Okay, it's sent.
So you can see I've sent the message and all that. I found that really very helpful. So now you can also check if you want to check your unread message, all you have to do is also speak to Siri. So let me show you guys how to do that. That's to say why he's showing me this stuff is because I don't have any unread messages. So this is very helpful, and I hope you guys will be able to make use of it. So this is another cool feature on iPhone, WhatsApp on iPhone compared to Android. So I found these tips very, very helpful. So with doing that, you go to your you want to send, go to your status, you click on the picture, you look for the picture you want to send, and let me show you a little trick here. Let's take a picture. Let me see, and look for a picture here. Okay, let's say this picture here. So now we want to click on this pencil icon, then you click down to this last thing here. So you look at, if you want to make this black and white, as you can see, it's making it look black and white. I found this feature very cool. So thumbs up to iPhone. If you're using Android, it's coming up very soon. So I found it very, so now you can see the picture is turned to black and white. It's a very great feature to use for your phone. This is another cool feature for you to use on your iPhone. So now let's say you want to just add a widget. So all you have to do is swipe left, you come to your widget. So you scroll down, you see a little edit icon there, you click on it. So now you can see a little of apps. So you scroll down, you add WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp has been there. So now if you want to make it at the top, so now you move it to the top. Now you can see. So now when next you come to your recent item, you see WhatsApp is there. You see WhatsApp number. So if you want to message someone quickly, all you have to do, instead of opening WhatsApp, you could just swipe left and you click on the person. It opens directly to the person's chat. Voila, this is very helpful. If you want to do more with this, you can also click on, you see something show more. Once you click on that, now you can see your status. So you can also show your status and all, which is very helpful without opening your phone and WhatsApp. So we have come to the end of the video. I'm sure you guys really found the tips and tricks very useful. If you find any of the tips and tricks more useful for you, please let me know in the comment section. So guys, please subscribe, like, and turn on your notification, and so as to get more updates on this. More WhatsApp videos coming, so please guys stick around and see you guys on my next video. Bye.